Sithokozani Bokokona Bomkulu, we are back again with another episode of Bayete. Igama lami uTshepiso, also known as Ugogo Tshepiso Owakamati. Gogo Ncobile, how was your journey esikolweni? How is still it's because you're still at school?
Yes.
How do you balance that?
So back then, right? Yeah, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, 5, 6. It was fine. It was okay.
Okay.
I can touch base on, you see, grade 2 and 3, and 4, in fact. Hey, yeah, bengiwa yo. So they used to call me Ncobile the fall girl. No. You see, like ili change elapaya. Once I step on it, I fall. You see, like nje I bengiwa shem. I don't wanna lie. People like teachers were wondering, why is she falling down? Like yeah.
So I wanna know, wasn't there a time whereby we are bonela umuntu, maybe ubonela your teachers or ubonela your peers, students, maybe for example teacher okanje nakanje akekho right emoyeni spiritually, or were you able to see or were you able to tell ukuthi man no khona kungekho right la?
So okay, back then, right, even today, even now, there are those teachers where, hey, I like this one, this one, So, and then going back to my peers, my friends, you see, sometimes I was that child that had a big friend group, you see, and then now, having seen people's problems, I used to distance myself now. You see, cutting off. Plus, I was that child that grew up being bullied, my physical appearance and everything. So, you see those ones that used to bully me, I would be like, in my mind, I would be like, you are bullying me, but I can see you are busy. You are busy, you see. Yeah, so it was like that. I didn't like exactly tell them. Yes, there were parts where I would actually come running and say, "Wena, 1, 2, 3." You see, and then I will run back and play. You see, it would be like that. But I would mostly distance myself. You see,
So I want to know, right? It's a question per se. Has it ever happened ukuthi uvukwa idlozi usasesikolweni, and how did the teachers and the students take it, or bakusiza kanjani? Was it a shock to them or what? Have you done it before ukuthi uvukwe idlozi usesikolweni?
Yes, grade 7 and grade 8. I sham being perish like you see. So I was perishing my levels, you see. So grade 7, right, this day, I wake up, go to school, and I'm not feeling good. We are already here, I'm not feeling good. Break, fine. After break, plus idlozi lami is that kind of idlozi elingathandi umsindo, much commotion and stuff. So the class was making noise, you see, those debates, you see. So I was clustered, you see, with man. I felt like screaming and doing all those stuff up until blackout. I don't know what happened, but it was blackout. After that, when now that trans stage is now been cleared and stuff, when I wake up, really, hey, you were talking in a husky voice. I'm like, you see, but I know, Guti, really, there are those times whereby you see. And the class was so shocked. There will be those ones I need Christian. Then there will be spiritual ones, you see. Now the Christian ones, they are there. You must pray, you must go to like J. And you see those kids that are Christians, just as they annoy me. They are the ones that have problems, even like J. You see, so it was like the Christians, hey, you must pray, you see, and then the ones that are this side, they'll be like defending me, or are you okay, and stuff, yabo. They used to understand. But in our class, there was a division, Christian and spirituality, you see, yeah.
But then how, wasn't there a problem? Because if that's the case, the Christians ones, won't they go to the headmasters to complain, Tina, we don't want to associate ourselves with these people? Was there ever maybe a meeting with your parents saying, when you are causing distraction, how did that come about?
You see that one, I'm going to start it from the beginning. It's story time. That one is story time. So last year,
it's new.
You see, yeah. Last year, So last year, it happened. Yeah. Plus, now it was not only me; it was other learners now. It was a lot. You see, so of course, abantwana, it was. I remember it was towards exam season. Vele abantwana vele, especially, laba emakhaya maybe, the grandmothers, so being seen that they so hey, sharp, it happened, right? Blackout as always. I don't remember anything. I will try and come on, man. Remember something. What happened? Nothing. Nothing. And then that day, I don't know which learner went out, but there was that one learner that went out and went to call my Afrikaans teacher.
Yes.
And they and she's the head of discipline, so already that's a problem. Then she went to the principal. So in private schools there are 3 phases. There's the head of discipline, principal, and executive head, which holds the whole staff members. Yes. And then from there, from principal to executive head, which actually ended up having me to have a final written warning and a disciplinary hearing. Last year that took place. Yes. So fast forward, disciplinary hearing day, nothing happened. Like it was as if this our principal actually understands us. You see, like that disciplinary hearing was not necessary at all, because this is spirituality, Africanism.
It's your culture.
It's known. You see, but. Yes, I do have a final written warning. So that means if I get 2 warnings, I'm out.
You're out of school. But then how do you cope with it? Because it's not something that you can control. It just happens, right? Was there maybe some sort of a communication with you and your parents, sorry, we are going to expel you, or let me just put it this way. How do you gather yourself for it? Okay, now I need to stay away from, because you did say, what triggers it is the noise again.
Yes.
How do you stay away from all those things, and how do you be stagnant and say, I'm going to just try to be calm? Or was it maybe your parents, no, at this call, let's just let her finish and then afterwards? How did they do that?
Okay, so yes, talking about leyo msamo baye bahamba ke emsamo baphahla bakhuluma ukuthi xa ningaveli uyabo umntana most of the time usesikolweni uyabo, and ngiya understand ukuthi anikuthanda umsindo maka abantwana basesikoleni abantwana basically uyabo, nami ngumntwana basically I also do make noise sometimes, you see. So also me having to now learn how to calm myself down when I feel it coming, you see, and all of that. So eskolweni see, at school there's that spiritual gang and then Christian gang, you see. So the spiritual gang, they have everything, yabo. Khona baletha amabhayi, inefi, zonke lezo zinto yabo. So ngiyazi ukuthi man noma ingayenzeka, I just go to the bathroom and then I'm sorted, yabo. Or ngiyahamba nje, just go outside, calm myself down. If it doesn't work, I will go to someone and say ngicela you know,
Okay.
isnave,
Yeah.
yabo, and then, yeah.
I was about to ask you that in the snake in Amapai and everything, because I know in most cases a snake it's considered as a drug.
Yes.
Then how do you then go about ufake isnave in esikolweni, and your teachers, how would they take it? Mama, like, would they understand ukuthi lo mntwana, it's something that she has to do in order to calm herself down, or what?
So also in teachers there is spiritual gang, Christian gang. You see, so everywhere there's that
Okay.
separation.
Yeah, yeah,
There are also ones that are in between.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
I believe in both.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will mostly go to the spiritual gang teachers. You see, and I don't personally bring those stuff at
Okay.
school because I know what I am secured.
Yeah,
You see,
yeah.
I'll mostly go to a teacher and say, hey,
I have this
is
situation.
this situation, and she would understand and give me the thing, you see.
Alright.
Yeah, but separately,
Obviously not in front-
yes, not in
yeah,
front of the
yeah,
class, because
yeah.
hey, I'm a
considered-
Christian. You see, so yeah.
Okay, no, interesting, because I wanted to know, because it's not easy for other kids to see this abnormal behavior happening. So if you say ukuthi it's something ekuwukuthi even the teachers, you have a support from them. I wanted to know, were they able to assist you now? Were they a big part whereby they explained to the headmaster, no, this is our religion, this is our culture. We will try our best not to to distract, because to them it will show as a distraction. Because remember, you did say ukuthi it was close to exam time. They would say ukuthi when you don't want to write up an exam, you're just causing havoc.
Yes. Yeah.
So the teachers, those who also are believing in Isintu Setu, were they able to assist you in that way?
Okay, so going back near to primary, right? Grade 6, 7.
Yeah.
So there was this teacher. She's also a spiritual person, you see.
Yeah.
So every time I would have those issues as a moya, and then there was she's a teacher, right? And then in primary there is 4 now.
Yeah.
There is the head of grade 7. Then there is, the principal, head of disciplinary,
Yeah.
everything like that. And then, so the head of grade 7, she's a, fire.
Okay.
See? So, as she is a fire, hey, you see that teacher, I didn't like her. Every time she came to our class in G, I would feel annoyed, like, funanlo, you see, fire. So every time I had these spiritual issues, she would actually go to the head of grade 7 and say, no, man, it's actually this and this and this and this. You see, just take it easy on her. Yeah. But now, since in high school, yes, there are teachers that support, but in that case, disciplinary hearing, the teacher that went there was a fire. You know what? Hey, tell me ngesichitho se-fire kahle like nje hayi lo mama, and usifundise NSC ngimthanda mara nje.
When it comes to that,
yabo.
Don't you think that it's the fire corner? It's the energy and the spirit that she has around, or whatever. Umuthi lo awusebenzisayo uyambonela. Is it because of uyambonela, or fire nje you just?
Ifire nokuthi ngiyambonela. It's because ngiyambonela ukuthi lo muntu lo unabo abantu abadala and ubhizi ne-fire la. Yabo. So like so that's the thing ukuthi man yabona lona again
Akalandeli izinto ekumele azilandele.
See. Nokuthi every time nje eclassini, hey lo mama lo angazi. Every time nje. I remember last year we went to camp, right? And then there was a scene where something happened. So there was a learner, right? Nae una izinto zomoya, yabo.
Okay.
She dreamt about the bus accident, falling, everything, yabo. Hey, now everyone found out that night. She came and told me, and I was like, no, just keep it a secret for now, you know. And then I don't know how did it blast, but
Everybody knew about it.
everybody knew. I just found people when I got back to the room. I remember it was tuck shop time. When I got back to the room, people just came and said, people came rushing. Hey, Ngomile, hey, here's this person. She's telling me about this. Is it true? Is it gonna happen? Now me, what must I do? Me, you see, I man, chillax, man. It won't happen. Believe in yourself, man. God, you know. Yeah. When I got into the people were crying. Everything, a lot was happening. So this mother comes in. Hari rappelling. Athina zonke ke isukile manje. Father Jesus kabadishe. I'm like, yeah. You see, hey. So yeah.
So I just heard now you said that the students would come to you. Have you ever had an issue or an encounter whereby students would come to you wanting to know about, maybe for example, if they are experiencing certain things or or things like that? Have you ever had a situation whereby they would come to you and ask you for or anything like that?
They don't come uguti like ngibahlolele, but they will literally come and ask me uguti like ask questions uguti. And really, you know, I dreamt about this and this and this. So what does it mean? Yes, then I would like to try for them to know it's actually this and this and this. You see, really, do I have a gift? Oh God! Hi Jesus! Hey, and Mongati, yes or no?
Oh no!
The next day, the next day it comes uguti lomuntulona. She doesn't have a gift, and then when I say yes, we are so much so we man hey yo man khona abanye abazayo Jim ngoba does this person ungalidlozi uyabo. Then I'm like, hey, wena, just leave me alone. Does she have lose? No. Okay, please. Wait. You see those questions in she. Hey, because abantwana basesikole namamenemene.
Yeah.
Bangakujikela ungathi lo muntu lona akanalo idlozi, umuntu avukelwe idlozi kanti uyalifika, and then azokuthi masuthi uyalifika lo muntu lidlozi sekuyi case enye manje lo muntu lo sekaza kuwe uthi ngifika idlozi uyabo. So rather just nje.
No, I know, I understand. Bengifuna ukuza ngapha futhi to abomkhulu noyithu, you did mention ukuthi you have kids, right? Yes, lento le omjolo yethu, I wanted to know, how did you guys know this is the right person? Cheka wena ucho mama wakho Ntungu uteng, because it's not easy. Ke mang o tlo understand, you know, relationship wise. How did you know this is the right person ukuthi uzong understand when I pray mangithi ngiyazila mangithi it's my time to do this ngizoqala ngapha kuwe baba ukuthi how did you know, or did you have failed relationships before or abanye bebangaka understand? How did it go about?
In terms of like relationship, that's very, very sensitive now, because I know for a fact ukuthi baningi abantu who are actually gifted abaphiwe still basastruggle nesimo sethando, you understand?
Yeah.
In most cases, and then in my cases, I have this thing with Bentley. I was always dating umuntu baraphiwe, head with umuntu head with twice, and I didn't have a problem with that, you understand? But I didn't know why most of the time I was attracted to umuntu like unisiphiwe, you understand? Umuntu nabo kunisithunya, unisprofiti, umuntu opposed ukuthi alungise izinto ezimpande, yabo?
Yeah.
Not knowing later on ukuthi bakuhlanganisele nomuntu engizokhona ukumitha halfway.
Yes.
Okay. Started dating. Okay. Until we propose meeting twice. I was like, okay, that's fine. That's actually cool. I'm actually curious nalento le ukuthi you arrange and then we explain and then we connected. But it's also fun because ubonakala ukuthi uyamshela just yazenzile isimo sethanda.
Yeah.
Bonakala those abathi bangihlanganisile. Do you understand? Okay, fine. Ukuzwana naye and comes goes by banginompuphela, you know, kanti naye futhi bakanongiphuphela, but I didn't know ukuthi enhle kubukenzakala. That's before my child was born.
Yes.
Yena uneyigoloto lezo abathi sihlangane nokufana kunento yakhe, he had ukuthi azilungise izinto zakhe.
Yeah.
and also nami had ukuthi ngilungise izinto zami. But here's the problem, nangumntana sakazalile nisho lo mntana isibusiso kuye kuNkulunkulu.
Yes.
But also when ngithi ngisakhula esigabeni somoya ne, we do have lama case ukuthi bakhona ukunixhumanisa nomuntu ne, but also lo muntu lona uthola ukuthi akakakhula ithizeni esigabeni somoya, uhamba kuba uqabana endleleni, understand, akakakhulu because yes we attracted kulo muntu lona esigabeni somoya, but i-personality yakhe akakamithi le requirement for idlozi lakhe, understand. Kona into lokuthi umuntu uyahlukana bese iphinde ngiyabula kule nto lena ekudonsa back kulo muntu lana, mara isikhathi bokucala ukukhuluma I realize ukuthi no, I think it's better ukuthi we go a different, because now unezinye it's very painful, unezinye izinto ezakho you need ukuthi uzenze nami there's a certain as I'm saying ukuthi isolation is very important because manje we are self evaluator ne, not saying ukuthi angisho we do have a problem but bazothi no sibani bani wenze sona. Sometimes we don't actually look at ourselves ukuthi man maybe yimi nginenkinga. How will you know that if all be isolated, you understand, means self perspection ukuthi as in there's something more than that, you understand. Sisibeka, I hope I did answer your question though.
Already, are you working khona abantu abazayo kuwe for consultation, or you still going underway your twasa and all that, or already usunempande yakho endlini?
That's actually a good question. In terms of spirituality, ukukhula ne angeke uzothi uqedile ngikhamisa kwisemester kogogo, understand, usazokuba nokukhula even so ugobela kunezinye izinto angeke ukhona ukusunderstand ukukhula bese sithi sihlezi sithwasa. So going that I'm still ngisasebenza vele but still there's some things which suppose ukuthi ngizenze ukukhula kwami, understand. Impande yami akakafika to that point there where abakhosi wami bayifuna nakhona, but yes abantu bafika nasekhaya and mina ngiphethe the thing of healing umuntu bese azo recommend, you know, they highly recommended. Even soon before I started the spiritual journey, believe it or not, I started like on bengenza online nje ngithi abantu bangithumele ama-ithombe zabo, then I was bengilayita amakhandlela, I was able to read based on isithombe sabo. I don't know, because I was able to grasp i-energy yabo. Ngithi ngicela ungithumele i-picture yakhe kwen picture, then I was able to kubamba umuntu inkinga zakhe ukuthi kuso na so no in all that time ukuthi bengisathwasa bangifundisa, you understand. Nje umuntu indaba zakhe ahambe refer komunye umuntu kanjalo, that's when ngaba so, you understand.
All right. And then when ulikhwaza kanjani idlozi lakho, like how do you do it, like ufuna ukwazi ukuthi do you just light candles or bakuthumela isithombe and then done everything comes?
Okay, that's for online consultation. Is that for umbuze for question for
in general
or umuntu akazoza nasekhaya?
Inamuntu ozayo ekhaya.
Okay. Umuntu akazoza nasekhaya angisho I did mention before ngizothi can you please ngithandaze ngiphahle before ngizoze ekhaya, understand, so that uzokhona ukutshela i-spiritual things zakhe idala zakini before uzoza nasekhaya, you understand. Bese kena umuntu uzoganda nasekhaya bese ngilayita amakhandlela bese umoya uzongitshela ukuthi okay angisho depending ukuthi maybe ngizofaka isiphika okijazi, umoya uzongitshela ukuthi ufake isimbathi isiphika sibomvu, lo muntu ozayo kuba so inkinga thizeni uyasinda bese ngivele ngigqoke, you understand. Bese kena depending noba when it comes to consultation this is very hard because now I haven't mastered it. I haven't mastered isikhathi angisho ngoba ngisho umoya bofikile. Consultation can even ithatha ne-1 hour bafika indaba ziyawa uso hence I'm saying ukuthi not wonke umuntu aphoze ukuthi umlaphe nasemanzini okufana kuba nabanye isigabeni somoya ukuthi maybe unesikoloto aphoze ukuthi ayenze itiye nasekhaya. Khona omunye izinhlanhla zakhe izovuleka nasentabeni okufana. Uzoze kanjani? Uzoze nezidala zakubo avoiding kenza izinto kuma.
Sure. Okay guys, ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume about this dark side le ekukuthi nobody knows, it's just you noNkulunkulu wakho, right? Because we all go through inkinga and all of that, depressions, drugs and all of that. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what was the worst challenge eyakufaka wazibona ukuyo ngaphakathi? Anyone who wants to just engage and just tell us about that.
I would like to share a very personal story that actually happened before ngizo-embark kwi-spiritual journey sami that actually lead me ukuthi ngizohlangana with my spiritual mentor before kule simo lesi bengisesimeni of addiction, very bengi-addicted ku-methamphetamine, which is I don't know.
Yes.
Kakhulu. There was a lot of things that was happening back in high school, understand? Okay, fine. influence of friends. This is why isikhathi after ngaqala indlela yami then ke bacala kabasusa
Yeah.
mara before ngizofika lapho ne there was some addiction that I had, you understand. So lento lena was very very hard. Ngikhuluma nomuntu like usesimene sama drugs ne there's always ukukhanya semnyameni. Remember that. And I'm the last person who's a judge abantu. There's always ukukhanya.
Yeah.
There's always ukukhanya emnyameni. So when I came kule point upon this journey ne I was in a dark cloud, you know. Ke ubaba wayibamba lena esikunesimo sona sama drugs esindumkhulu. You understand? Ngithi vele angisho bozukulapho phoza ukhuluma iqiniso ne.
Yeah.
Kena ngisesimna ke kakhulu iqiniso angisho ubo lo muntu that I went to wasesigabeni somoya expose ukuthi ke libaha ngenza so 1 2 3.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Sisho mama thala sola party burst, you understand ne. But I realized ukuthi manje I need to tether back izinto manje because I have a child ngapha.
Okay.
Angazi ukuthola umsebenzi kuhlangahlangene.
Yeah.
Esikolweni I couldn't go back to school. I had ukuthi ngiface my biggest demon, you understand. I had to face lento lena, I had to go to ngiyiconquer. That's when kena isikhathi besihamba ne because ngasitshela ukuthi azini I think isimo ukuthi mazi ngichange, you understand.
Yeah.
Ngathole my first igama ethi Jazz Lam eliblue.
Okay.
Ke to Jazz Lam eliblue. There's this thing lena umuntu ukuthi uboyekela isimo sama drugs ne umuntu uzokama to this point ukuthi ufuna ukurelapse, you know, whatever amaphupho like umuntu angipha ama drugs okumuntu bakangifeed, you understand.
Yes,
I didn't understand why because I means maybe I'm not doing into right lazi maybe angiyentabeni more but ngarealize ukuthi I'm choice I need to face the demon. I need to conquer it, you understand. Isikhathi besama nje ngibhizi ngithandaza ngafaka isimbatho sami, you know, ngahlala kakhulu nasehlanini wilderness ne intabeni then nje kancane slowly ngaphuma. I never actually believe ukuthi ngizophuma, it just it happened. Zangaba that certain craving nje. This is why going back kumuntu like usesimeni samadasi kunomuntu like usuffer from depression, you understand, because there's some certain point no withdrawal symptoms and bezo kick into the body umuntu uzahamba simo of depression, suicidal, you understand. Kuna abanye abantu azi spend the darkest times in their life, you understand, because of some drugs. But I always believe ukuthi wonke umuntu alapheka, and as healers we are the last abantu sizoba judge. We shouldn't do that. Ukuthi umuntu ufike usizo. You understand? So everything that happened and I decided to change, and then it actually happened. But also along this journey, spiritual journey,
one can add on that. I think the issue here, the drugs in it. Look, the understand? Some they are there because of peer pressure. Some they are there because of let me tell you something to be like realistic. Some this certain show that I normally follow on TikTok. I won't mention it because sometimes you don't know. But you can see that when you take some people to rehabilitation, you make them worse. You make them relax, they come back, they do it worse. Do you get it? So some are more into adapting and absorbing from the universe when they're high. When they don't feel anything, but they only look at one thing and it's perfect to them. You listen to the person, alle high on the drug. Are they good? One can say they good, but they are different ways, different people. For example, that kind of a thing. I understand. That's why because you can just say understand.
Explain how do I get out of the situation?
So that's how it is.
Yes, actually, that's very powerful. You know, if you cannot believe, if I'm umuntu osesimini se alcohol, you understand? Angeke ukhona ukusiza umuntu, not that one hlula kulesigaba lesa kuleso. You understand? So that uzobona ukuthi azini ne. The best option for like say ukuthi ufike umuntu esesimini sama drugs, and the first option engizomtshela yona ukuthi yabona ukuthi kusona empilweni yakho ne ngicela ukuthi uzame uku-isolate kancane from abangani. This is why this is advisable for umuntu ne esimeni akhona ne ahamba yohlala emakhaya maybe that's very far from abangani. You understand? So that azokhona ukuzazi. But when it comes to rehabilitation ne this is very deep. Opposed kuba umuntu yena he's willing to do the work.
Okay.
Because manje wonke umuntu ekhaya uyabhema ama-drugs and so phoze kube umuntu uzitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuyekela ngifuna ukuchange yabo. So but you can tell umuntu vele ukuthi no usesimene sona. You understand? So nendlela ukuthi uzokhona ukumsiza umlethe ebukhanyeni. Do you understand? Khona abanye isimo lapha ekhaya ukhuleka khona abuse nje, you understand? Kuba high or kubhema ama-drugs is the way ukuthi bazokhona
escape
from reality the way it's nakhona. Tozo uzothona ukuthi umuntu ufundile nani but graduate ngikula lakho umuntu wahamba like uphethe waphuma nama bachelor maybe example, understand? But akakhona ukuthola umsebenzi lapha yana but uyazibuza ukuthi mase lo muntu bengifunda naye kwenzekile, understand? Sabe iminyawo pe sekanza so but you don't actually know inkinga behind. So I have the way ukuthi ngikhona ukuconnect nomuntu esesimeni
because you've been there
ngakhona ukukhuluma naye, you understand? Ngibona ukuthi hayi man wayenza isona sukuhlize so but into engazi umuntu uzozilapha baka ready usichange then ukuthi ukuhambisa umuntu rehabilitation bese he's not ready uzo relapse kuba isekela relapse suppose kube yinto yena.
So ngibengifuna ukubuza ukuthi has it ever happened to you whereby maybe for example family gatherings sihleli you know Christmas days and whatnot idlozi liphakame wena socela ukhipha indaba zabantu ukuthi wena anti uyathalatha wena malume ubulala ubaba yebo because sometimes mabafuna ukukhuza umuntu bafuna ukumkhuza in front of everyone and
through you.
Yes, I understand. Has it ever happened ukuthi wena socela ukhipha indaba zabantu in front of everybody now?
Yes, it happened a couple of times before I started this spiritual journey. That time I would but also my side of the family abayazi ukuthi my great grandfather was a healer, was a famous healer. So yeah, nesikhathi what I heard ukuthi uzelana ukuzolungisa ilineage yethu. There's some mistake abongkhulu bayenza nabazala bayenza, you understand? So yena uzelana ukuzolungisa. So the way aqhamuka nakhona qhamuka ukuthi umuntu manje uthethisayo
yes
sekaphakama sekazama ukubreak ama generational curses labo akhona efamily. Example like isimo umuntu akasakhona ukushada yabo abomzukulu abakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi. There's some things that I had ukuthi yena aziqhaqhe, you understand? This way he come into play yabo but yo ukuvikela yayo umoya nje easy seeing story nje so it's very hard, you know. I don't know how to explain it, you know. Like I cannot say you possess, you understand, you know? There's a certain kunomoya nje lokuphathayo esigabeni somoya yabo nokusinda nje bese uqhamuka enye voice
omkhulu
and the way azana khona the way azana khona unokuthethisa yabo. So abanye abantu beza umuntu bavikela edlotsi abanye that's not the case. Kanti uthi ukuthi lapha idlozi ufuna ukuba mahlahla ndlela yakho azokuguide. So yes yeah.
You know, I think from what I'll pick up from what they said ka teacher that a spiritual person key container. And it's a container, you know, you can put sugar, one salt, like that. I think spiritual people are like that.
Okay.
So we change her situation. And one can ask okay, explain who deeply does not understand or don't want to hear that. It's a bit difficult. That's why the example. Let me say in the example. Yeah, like Jesus Christ used to do. Or it's understand that now this can't say like him.
Yeah.
Understand? Okay, I keep on mati.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
To make an exercise or only 2 meals. So na kana go ekine ke tsile ke re go offline.
Yeah.
Ha ka bona. Ai, ke ka reach lo. A ke tsile a sang go pana le reach ke re ke batla gore ka madithuri ga ke madithuri ke reka. head on ka mamogolo ka tsena le ramogo ka re wena o re lawyer wena o re lawyer o mo lo ikona bole papa ka le maka e ke sa ka se go ke go the khotso thibang go itse ngwana go ele ngwana o siame ke sa ka ra mogolo ke go mo ke mo gaima go na ba gore ke la ke motho le ona ka nna tshola mosadi wa gago ga re gona go so you get to that point and in the morning when you wake up tlhoge na tona that night ne ha ke robetse ke robetse mo betting ko dimo mara ke go tlase nna mo ke ka bete so so ke za mo go itsipela ka bete go so ke thanya phakela ke okay maybe it's because of ke o mantse wa regret the regrets did nothing but at the end of the day someone will come to me mankanse wa itse ke re bamba bra khadi mankanse o ntsela o re ditse motho wa tlhaloganya what you don't know mara message o ile wa pass out kana go and that particular person came inside of you and tell you to tell them aras on not congested on not under pressure wa kwatoli one o kwatala lo wena yourself one the worst enemy you can have is yourself you need to speak out you need to talk on a choice especially motho mo ke I think
so I once had an encounter Lena with my great grandfather from my mother's side Owamushona from Zimbabwe, right? Ngona ka ntsa phila ntate wa hae patula tlhokofala so wabale at first it really as door ka ska enka sera siatla as a vision while I was ke la itile dikerese ke rapela, right? Are ke kopa o ya Soweto but ha bua re ke lo etsa abo na just took it to her maybe khale ke sai kwa maybe abo ke tshantse ke yo shapela maboko round you understand ha ntse o nkisa ka tsa tsile everyone is there so no it took it to okay maybe that and the thing was motho buang le nna ha ke mo bone I don't even see the face but I could hear the voice wabo and I could tell gore motho una le strict ke motho na le strict voice wabo I got there I feel re dutse ko dining room how waba le that moment where everyone who were quiet waba that quiet moment I can't ona ba tholang ke tlo le retsa ke tsana ka ena ngwana wa hayo but at that time make so ka ke latela my gift in that way
okay
so apparently haven't joyed because now I was out of it I didn't know kujongo ula phahama yes ula phahama abua with that voice aqala ka ngwana wa hae a wena ha o sa tlwele ntho o etsa o tlo le mala ene ke tlo le matsa o tshwantse o tlwele ntho o etsang okay sis it's like fetsa o tsholo ke ki bua ka shona seo sa hae I just say the shona nna ngona ka ke a tseba ke mzimbabwe ngezi but le ke bua ka shona ke mo jwetsa I understand that you know this is how it's like fetsa ka yena ka tshila se ka ya ko ngwana hae so I went to my aunt Kare when the reason why bana ba tswa tsileng it's because of you ha o gotse bana ene o tlo lemala o pata bohlaswa ba bana and by doing that bana ha ba gola ba ka se be sharp ba tlo gola ba itjotsa gore ke tsela e tshwantse ba gole ka
right
wa wo kwisisa a itsa ke tswa ko yena ka ya ko mo hona le mong o nanyetswe but a soka a fetsa okay wena motho o kwatile a go jwetse monnanyana wao ai bana ka se kgone fetsa o khutlela back to senaming ya gona ga o latla gona o tla khutla okay take it to jalo so lena o la understand that the reason why ha o sebetse ha o thole intlu bana ba thole mesebetsi is because of now ho ba kiswana hore yes re go unyetse but ha o so phethelwe dilo tsa hao kaofela you still under rona wa utlwisisa if o sa gona ha lo jwetse monno wao o khutlele back to o khutlise bana ba gona le wena o change name is fanning sa rona o ane ha so sebeletse ntwe instead le hlophe ha wesa ha una tswelo pele ba understand with that hona le ba ileng ba kwata yes but ile ya tlisa joy le thabo because o mong o khonno a khonno fetsa lenyalo la hae ho be sharp ba bang batla ba tseba ho wa kana ba mo khotsa ba bang ba iputsisa hore ba go wenteng so nna ke re a ke tsebo go ba go etsa because yena o lumetse go ba etsa ha sa stop to try etsa because I was never specific hore o tlwele o loya or o tlwele o bola I was never specific I just said hore ha o sa tlwele ntho o etsang And then apparently she knew what she was doing. She just stood there and agreed.
And I think making it right.
Yes.
Now, if I want to make it right to myself,
Yes.
it's a divine intimidation.
Yeah.
It's a divine intimidation. Because sometimes I can
Yes.
because of that energy, because of because of any so it's a divine intimidation. Sometimes you as a you need to say, hey,
Stop it.
quiet. So sa tlhokagala se
Yeah.
now se ringe a ke re khotsofatsa rona mara itse ra dira se se mo ke shoutile mamogolo bana mara go ipankanya understand.
I know, I can't when I'm really any encounters, anything you want to add on?
I can. Okay.
Series.
No, like it wasn't an encounter or anything. I just wanna ask something.
Okay.
Like, it's just a
General question,
Okay.
yeah.
So, Anything it's Tina Abafazing
Yes.
and Bona is
Males, yeah.
Hey, Jesus. So, kuna woko kuna wunku.
True.
So now, physically, Singaba.
Our fans, yes.
But-
The voice.
Yeah, but like, and then you find this side by the men. Hey, umuntu uphakamela umoya. I've actually seen that eskoleni.
Yeah.
There's this guy who uphakamela umoya. Okay, sharp yeah. Hi, thokoza umuntu how? Sorry.
It's not the normal voice, yeah.
Like me, I'm expecting
A male. Yeah.
Weird.
Did I not hold my laugh with full force?
You are too focused. You are too
Like,
focused.
like, my first time seeing
Something like this, yeah.
finish and like,
Cool, yeah. Drama story.
And in my case,
In your case, yeah. I'm having some base, yeah.
And then this guy, there's many encounters that has happened. There was once a female student who was Paramelo Moya
Yeah.
and a guy student who was Paramelo Moya.
Moya,
And they were different spirits. different sisters. So I think it was a teaching to me to know. Ngabona indoda yawe paf.
Yeah. Isikali.
Masakavuka lo moya la.
Gogo.
Like what I saw from that guy.
Shocked.
And then this guy washehla kwaphakama ke ikhehla kulo the female student. This guy now uthukile ukuthi hawu lo muntu lwana manje uyenza kanjani manje yabo. Hayi thokoza mina ke it's fine with me ukuthi because I know ukuthi nami myself ngiphethwe ikhehla la.
Okay.
So ngithi hayi no uvuka ikhehla but with that guy
It was shocking for the way angakhona.
because isiganzotho phela lesiya lesidlale kabi lesikala baba manje ukhuluma ngevoice eyekathi yeah, you see that difference between
Yeah, ukuphakama bobani
It reminds me of my young sister. My young sister, Lene Kimotomoy.
wa moya.
Yeah, because believe body she's
Tiny.
yeah. Maru play.
Yo.
Di buka sin se ta boleh aja. Ale mama. Cusa ki mora kan ya. Hey. Ki web ko sakar kya my brother just need to speak but khona go tara there's something inside this person. Say look I can actually
Control.
stand it high kat moon.
Yeah. And I was about to ask, was there casting demons or whatever? Have you ever encountered and how do you do it? Like, how do you control yourself? Or, hey.
To be honest, Nike is a mile dikerke like mama ko khole tsok post I can bet kasan next address understand so give it a mile jotle and then I met different people baba kopana le dilo tse di tshwanetse a go ra ba mo go postola motho speaker sa ra shaba sis se re jotse ro tlhotlo wa understand bona ba ba tlola wa jumpa understand such things khona ba nang quiet or motho ba dula ba bona mothalela like person is crying in sona ga ene motho so I met number of them and different type of people and I think in most cases now on my side I'll use water always.
Okay.
I give them to especially natural waters. So ngabiketsa meat ke mona just to calm that spirit down. Run right and become normalcy to prevail.
Yes.
I think that's what is needed because sometimes ha hwayalo bua ka hela ka ba more bua hela as much as rebo. So at least when I come around and make sense to what that person will be saying. So that's how I deal with such people. But there's a lot of different ways, different people, different churches. But they don't do that for long. Fire. But they fire.
Yo, I know. Ms. Will and I go to Nati, we are just as human as everyone, but to see the abnormally muscles go so good to scat or some very cool and top of that. So that put out more. Getting such a bong and in a lapekaya. This is where our show ends, the episode ends today. Tune in next time. News or kono goes, we're going to see the party again. Siabong, Tokozani. Bye.